Hi! Welcome to Cucina con Manu! Today I will show you in a quick video how to prepare traditional Bolognese sauce. Let's see the ingredients. You will need 3 liters of tomato sauce, 50 grams of chopped carrots, 50 grams of chopped celery, 50 grams of chopped onion, 250 grams of ground turkey, 450 grams of ground beef, 250 grams of white wine, salt and pepper. And now let's see the preparation. First of all, we'll put some olive oil in the pan. I will add carrots, celery and onion. We turn on the heat and we let it cook for about 5 minutes. The heat should be medium-low. When you see the onion goldish, we can add the ground meat. Usually in Bolognese sauce you can use ground pork, but I like turkey also. We can let it brown for about 10-15 minutes. Be careful, the flame should be always medium-low. When the meat is brown, we can add white wine. And we let it evaporate. The white wine now is evaporated and we can add tomato sauce. And we mix everything. At this point I can add some salt, little bit of pepper. We mix. Let's add also a little pinch of sugar to remove the acidity of the sauce. Now we let it cook for about 1 hour. We cover up and see you later. Bolognese sauce is ready now. I can turn it off and that's it. It's ready. This was a recipe for Bolognese sauce. You can use it for lasagna, pasta al forno or with just pasta. Thank you so much for watching. Thumbs up if you like the video and let me know in the comment if you try it. Ciao, a presto!